day, young adventurer. Care to help me with these seeds? I'm trying to send them as far as I can. Here goes. Tally-ho!
Here's how to play. Our goal is to send these dandelion seeds as far as we can. That's called seed dispersal. We need wind to send them on their way. That's where Nature Cat comes in. As Nature Cat breathes in and out, this meter over here will go up and down. When he takes a deep breath, the meter will be in the green. Click him when the meter's in the green to get a big boost. Awesome! Here we go! These are your seeds. Let me show you how to fly them. Seeds will fall down on their own. Watch out! When your seeds hit the ground, they'll be planted and our soaring will be over. Click and hold down on the screen to make your seeds fly up. Got it? Now you try. Get ready to take over in 3, 2, 1, go! Try flying to the top of the screen. Looking good. Watch out for things like leaves, bugs, or birds. Whoops! Breezes like these will give your seeds a boost, and obstacles won't hurt you. Look for sparkly power-ups like these to help you fly farther. And that's it. You're ready to fly.
Ooh, that one wasn't so great.
Get ready to take over in 3, 2, 1, go!
Uh-oh, there goes a seed.
Here's a little water.
Hey, not too shabby.
Whoa! That was a great one. Amazing.
Get ready to take over in 3, 2, 1, go! Here's a little water.
And they're off. Onward and onward.
Get ready to take over in 3, 2, 1, go!
Careful. Oh, a breeze! Whoa, watch out!